You just didn't learn. Clearly the trash can didn't work.
Well, you've gotten yourself into quite a predicament, haven't you, Charles? Huh?
Hey, whoa, what's I got going on over here? Cannibalism.
Hey, I didn't fire!
I'm pretty sure Franklin's stuck. Franklin, are you okay, buddy? Are you okay?
Now stay the fuck out of shit.
Yuka,